What's the meaning of broker? Broker. Broker.
Broker. Broker. A broker is an individual or firm that acts as an intermediary between parties, facilitating transactions such as buying and selling of securities, commodities, or real estate. They earn commission or fees for their services. Brokers are typically licensed professionals with extensive knowledge of the markets they operate in. They provide their clients with advice and support in making investment decisions. By acting as a middleman, brokers can help buyers and sellers find each other more easily and efficiently. Overall, brokers play an essential role in various industries, providing valuable services to both buyers and sellers.